Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de. So, how can you watch office computers from home with Wolfeye Remote Screen? Yeah. So, sometimes you're not at the office in your business, in your company, but you still need to know what's happening on your company's computers. And you can do that with Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah? You can watch every single screen of your employees or in your business live directly from your browser at home from your browser dashboard of Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah. So in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to connect securely and see your entire team's activity in real time. And you'll also see how to switch between computers, zoom in on details, and check your screenshot history, all from one dashboard. So let's open Wolfeye Remote Screen. This is the dashboard that you will receive if you install Wolfeye Remote Screen in all of your business computers. You install it, a small piece of software on each of your company's computers. Yeah? I will show it in a minute. And will receive the access to this dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. In your dashboard, you set the password and it's not displayed here, but this is the demo dashboard so that if you wanted, you could go to this link, log into the demo to see it. 12345 is the demo password you log into, and this is what you will get. Basically, you will see the live computer screens for each of the computer that you installed Wolfeye on. In this case, 5 computers have been installed with Wolfeye Remote Screen, and you see the live computer screen for each of these computers. Yeah, and live computer screen means, and for all, for you see it for all the computers, so to speak, um, you see multiple screens, multiple live screens. You monitor all the multiple computer in your business, in your company, all at the same place at once. And it's all the live screen. Yeah? Live screen means the following. It's a screenshot updated every 2 seconds, every 3 seconds, something like that. A screenshot. So the software on the computer makes a screenshot, uploads it to the server every 2 seconds, so that you see here every 2 to 3 seconds updated screenshot that you see here. This is only demo, so that you only see a picture, but that's how it works. That's how it works. And if you wanted to take a closer look to any of these employees' computer, you right mouse click on live, where the link where live for this computer, for example, open it in a new tab. Yeah? Open it in a new tab and go to this new tab, and we'll see we'll see this live screen in big. Yeah, big screen. This is only a picture because it's the demo version, but you will see that you will be able to see that. Also, if you wanted to see the screenshot history to know what has been doing in the last hours or the last day, you can, for each of the computer where Wolfeye has been installed, right mouse click, for example here, right mouse on history, open in a new tab, and you will see the screenshot history. A screenshot will be made every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes or every 1 minute. The interval, you will set the interval by yourself. Yeah. Also, by the way, if you wanted to have bigger pictures of the live screen, you can change here, not 2 columns, but 1 column, and then you get bigger screens, okay? So that's it. So what I ask you to do is come to our website, not this website, wolfeye.de. Come to our website, wolfeye.de, and click on Start Free Trial. Yeah? And here you have the option to book a Google Meet demo session. We do a Google Meet, a demo session. Yeah, you select the date, the time, enter your name, your email, your phone number, because probably I will call you over WhatsApp, how many computers you plan to monitor. And in this Google Meet session, I will first share my screen and we'll show you what you will get. I will give you the access to my dashboard. Wolfeye will be installed on my computer, and you will see my computer live screen, exactly as how you will see it on your computers if you install it on your computers. Yeah? And also, so you will be able to see how exactly Wolfeye works and what you will get. And the next step, if you want, you can share your screen and I can guide you to install Wolfeye on 1 or 2 computers. You decide, or on all computers, of course, but probably you only will need 1 computer. I guide you, I tell you what to do, and you install it and will get the access to your dashboard. so that you see all your company's computers, like in this screen, on one screen, all the live screen, and also history, screenshot history will be enabled. So that's the next step, because when I guide you for one or two computers, you will be able to quickly set up Wolfeye by yourself for your remaining computers. You install it, receive the dashboard, and can test Wolfeye for the next weeks or so that you are very sure and know exactly what you will get and know if you like the software. That's how it works. Yeah. So, and the last thing in this video I want to show you is I told you in this Google Meet session, I guide you through installation, but the whole meeting will take 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Why? Because installation also only takes a few steps. How it works, I show you. I will give you the download link. And the software that you download, this is Wolfeye Setup software. That's it. You run the software, double click it, you install, hit install, and then finish, and Wolfeye Remote Screen will open. And all you have to do is click on Share Screen, and then you click on Stealth Mode. The moment you click on Stealth Mode, Wolfeye Remote Screen hides itself, goes into stealth mode, but will be sharing the screen without the user noticing anything about it. So that's what I will show you. And also, of course, every time Windows is restarted, the software starts in the background, so to speak, hidden, without anybody noticing anything. So come to our website, book a Google Meet session. I will be very happy to hear from you. See us in the next video.